Now in this video we are going to create this section. So let's get started. So we are going to create this heading, then we are going to create this section. So let's get started. First of all, just go back to your Elementor editor and now open the Elementor editor, and you can see we have two text right here. This is our heading and this is our simple description. So I'm going to add a new section and I'm going with 2 columns. Simply select 2 columns and I'm going to copy the heading from here. Right click, copy the heading, and I'm going to paste the heading right here. And now first of all I'm going to the style and I'm going to change the text color to black, and let me copy this text right here. I'm going to paste the text right here, and now you can see we have added our first text. Now again I'm going to copy the text. Now I'm going to copy this heading again and paste it right here. Now I'm going to copy paste the text. You can see in the style. So I'm going to copy this text, copy, and this time I'm going to paste the style. Right click and simply click on paste style. And because this text is in the white color, so this is also in the white color. So I'm going to edit the heading. In the style, I'm going to change the text color to black. And yes, so you can see we have created our first section, and I'm going to select this column and change the vertical alignment to middle. Let me select this one and change the vertical alignment to middle. Now you can see we have added our text. So now let's add a little bit of space, and this time I'm going to edit section and I'm going to add the padding. Let me turn off the link values, and for the top I'm going with 50 and the bottom I'm going with 50. So you can see we have added little bit of space. And now let's add these boxes. So this is very easy to create. This time I'm going to create a section with 3 columns. Again I'm going to edit section. In the advanced, I'm going to add little bit of padding, something like 25 and 25. Now I'm going to add widget, which is icon box. You can see we have widget right here, icon box. Simply drag and drop this widget, and I'm going to add icon, and this is little bit of book icon. Click on this icon and select any icon you want. So this is the icon, and first of all I'm going to copy this text and I'm going to paste it right here. Again I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it right here. And in the icon position, you can set the icon position to left or the top or the right. So I'm going with the top. Now let's go to style. So we have icon and content. So let's open the icon, and in the icon I'm going to change the primary color to black, or I think I have to change the primary color to white. So first of all I'm going to select the column, and in the column I'm going with the style and I'm going to change the background type to black. And in the advanced I'm going to add padding, something like this, padding of 35, and I'm going to add margin by 10 pixels. And I'm going to edit the icon box. In the content, change the alignment to left. So you can see we have left content right here. I'm going to change the title color to white and also description color to white. And I'm going to change the typography to Poppins font again. And for description again, family Poppins, like this. You can see. And now I'm going to increase the size of our heading, something like this. And here you can set the space. In the icon I'm going to remove little bit of space, and I'm going to select the column again and I'm going to increase little bit of padding, something like 50. Now I'm going to delete all these columns, delete and delete. So we have this big little column. I'm going to duplicate, right click and click on duplicate, and now simply copy that content and paste it right here. So now you can see we have added our heading and our description, and then we added our icon boxes. So this is how you can create these kind of things in Elementor. So see you in the next video.